Hey, hello, welcome to DigiLearn Community YouTube channel. This is Nutan Kumar and I hope you're doing great. So today I come up with one more video that is free Udemy courses. Okay, there are lots of courses. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to get every updates. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so first course is Arduino for beginners, Master Arduino and C programming course. They're offering free. So actual cost would be 1,200. So now it is available for free. Okay, so just one day left at this price. Please, okay, grab it. This course includes 2 hours on-demand video, full-time access, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, certificate of completion will be provided. Okay, so let me discuss some what you're going to learn and what are the requirements. So you'll be learning interface various sensors with Arduino and create catchy projects through Arduino, and requirements everything will be taught from the beginning. No need any basics, just they will going to guide you from beginning. Okay, so don't miss this and just register right away. Okay, next one is Python Introduction to Data Science and Machine Learning A to Z. Okay, from beginning to expert level they're going to teach. So the actual cost of this course would be 6,400. Now they are offering for free, that is for 2 days only. Okay, here to make easy, we are already applied coupons. You just go and register it. Okay, so 7.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, certificate of completion. And what you're going to learn is understand the basics of Python programming, understand the basics of data science and how to perform it using Python, improve your Python programming by integrating new concepts, perform various analysis with sklearn, learning all the basic mathematical concepts, learn to use different Python tools specialized for data science, learning the basics of machine learning, finish the course with a complete understanding of all core concepts of data science and all the required tools to perform it with Python. So these are the topics you are going to cover. So yeah, requirements: strong motivation to learn new skills and basic Python programming skills can be helpful but not mandatory. It is desirable, so anyone can register for it. Okay, next one is content marketing strategy and techniques, beginner to expert. Okay, the actual cost of this course would be 8,640. Now it will be available for free. The two are only for only 2 days. Okay, so 7 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV or laptop, certificate of completion will be provided. So what you're going to learn here is learn different content strategy and learn online, website making skills to create basic website and personal blogs, gain advanced research skills and enables to write on any topic, develop effective content strategy to reach your TG, develop essential language skills for content strategy for international clients, graphic skills to design newsletters, PPT, logo, skill to identify target audience, personal for your content. So these are the topics they are going to cover. So requirements is basic understanding of English is enough. Okay, so this is one course. Next course will be affiliate marketing domination, become a super affiliate marketing course. Actual cost of this course would be 8,640. Now it will be available free. Only 1 day left at this price. Register right away. This course includes 5 hours on demand video, 1 article, 35 downloadable resources available. This is great actually, and full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Assignments would be given, certificate of completion. What you'll learn: the truth about affiliate marketing, why so many affiliates fails, and how you can bulletproof your affiliate business, and all about lead magnets and how to assemble the ideal lead magnet for conversions, and a unique trick to get vendors to send traffic to you, how to compose sales pages so that you still generate lead sales. This is good, actually this point is very good if you are studying MBA, or if you are interested in management, you can go for it. Okay, how to find the hottest niche around, including discovering niches you never knew existed, and the one secret separates super affiliates and regular affiliates, and how you can become a super affiliate, and much more. Okay, requirements: no prior knowledge is required, must have internet connection and an open mind. Yeah, understanding the theoretical knowledge is vital to success of a long-term business. So this is about this affiliate marketing course. Next one is JavaScript course completion guide step by step. Okay, the actual cost of this course would be 4,800. Now it will be available free for one day left at this price. Okay, this course includes 2 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access, and you can access through mobile or TV or laptop. Certificate of completion. So then what you're going to learn is JavaScript fundamentals. You will learn all about variables, functions, objects, and many more, like library functions and all that. Improve coding techniques to build better interactivity using JavaScript. Build interactive web pages with JavaScript and much more. Practical skills in implementing JavaScript usage. Build a simple but elegant web pages with vanilla JavaScript. Create live from validation using vanilla JavaScript. So requirements is basic HTML and CSS, but not necessary. Basic computer skills is necessary. Okay, so this is about this course. Next one is introduction to banking and accounting. This is for MBA or commerce students, or those who are interested in it. The actual cost of this course will be 2,560. Now it will be available for free. So they're going to teach from scratch. 2 days left at this price. 39 minutes on-demand video, 1 article, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access on mobile or TV or laptop. Certificate of completion. What you learn: bank accounting. Requirements: accounting fundamentals, reading financial statements, be able to understand accounting. 3rd or 4th grade accounting students. These are the requirements. So just utilize it. Next is Adobe Photoshop course, the complete guide step by step. Complete step-by-step guide to learn Adobe Photoshop from beginner level to an advanced level. Projects also included. So actual cost of this course would be 4,800. Now it will be available free. So 1 day left at this course at this price. Right? This course includes 1.5 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Certificate of completion will be available. What you'll learn: you will learn to create amazing graphics with in-depth details. You'll be able to create, edit, or design your own graphics from scratch. You'll be learn to restore images with image restoration techniques. You'll learn to create image manipulation and much more. Then you'll learn how to fix images, photos with color corrections, everything. You'll be able to remove backgrounds from any image. So from this you can actually make YouTube channel. Okay. Requirements: all you need to know is how to use a computer. Have Adobe Photoshop CS6 Plus installed on your computer. So make sure that before going through this course you need to install this software. Okay, so this is about this course. Next is HTML5 and CSS3 course, the complete guide step by step from scratch. So actual cost of this course would be 4,800. Now it will be available free and 1 day left at this price. Okay, so already 15,393 students are enrolled and got 4.5 rank. Okay, best actually, this is good. This course includes 2.5 hours on-demand video, full-time access on mobile and TV. Certificate of completion will be available. So what you're going to learn in this course is you'll learn to build websites from scratch with HTML5 and CSS3. Learn all the fundamentals of coding a complete website from scratch. Learn how to make images and other components of a web page responsive and creating images and audio, video, Google Maps and user data and also websites, multiple pages, connecting multiple pages in a website and also add services to your HTML5 and CSS3 website. Then create some custom wireframes before building a website and create advanced HTML5 form for collecting user information. Create custom CSS3 animations within the HTML5 website. Create products within the HTML5 page with a custom CSS3 layout. Course content, just check it out. And basic computer skills is requirements. Next is Python 3 course, the complete guide from step by step. Learn to most popular programming language Python. So 4.1 rating, 11,000 change students have been enrolled. This course is available free. Actual cost of this course would be 4,800. Only one day left at the price. Okay. So this course includes 2 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Certificate of completion will be provided. What you learn? You will learn complete Python 3 programming, data types in Python, work with loops, data structure in Python, build a simple dictionary, fundamentals on Python, conditional operators, create a Python functions, hoops concepts, and snake games. Okay. After completion of this course, you can able to create your snake game. Okay. Requirements is any Windows, Mac, or Linux based system. Latest version of Python installation guiding lesson. Okay, this will be guided in during classes itself. Okay, this is about this course. Next one is Angular 10 course. Build Angular apps step by step. This is a very good course actually, and 19,000 students already enrolled. Actual cost of this course will be 4,800. Now it will be available for free. One day left at this price. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Certificate of completion will be provided. What you learn? Framework, directory structures, and styling Angular components dynamically. Interpolation works in Angular, and using build pipes and create custom pipes. Create and manage services in Angular. And set up Angular 9+ project in the right way, creating managing custom components in Angular and event binding frameworks, manage directives, client module from the scratch, HTTP client. Requirements: basic HTML and CSS, basic JavaScript, basics of Bootstrap. That is not mandatory. Next course is complete digital electronics computer architecture course. This is the rare course. Actually rare. Okay, rare course and most demand course. Okay, and it will be available for free. Actual cost of this course would be 1,200. 2 days left at this price. This course includes 3 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Assignments will be there, and certificate of completion. You'll be learning designing functionality, basic computer components, computer architecture, and you'll be learning sequential, logical, everything, combinational, Boolean, arithmetic, everything you're going to learn. So requirements, it's made for all levels. Everyone is welcomed. Anyone can learn. Okay. Next is Microsoft SQL Server for beginners to export. SQL Server. Okay, so the actual cost of this course would be 1,200. Now it will be available for free 1 day left at this price. Post includes 2.5 hours on demand video for downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. Certificate of completion will be provided. What you are going to learn in this course is Introduction to Database Management Systems, RDBMS, Composite Keywords, SQL, CRUD operations, queries, database development, count functions, max aggregate functions, and converting values in lower keys, top keyword, how primary keywords, how primary key works, data models, foreign key works, everything. Just go through it. Go through this one. Requirements: a personal computer or SQL Server installation on student's PC will be preferred, but it is not mandatory. They are going to guide you. Willingness to learn Microsoft SQL Server. Then that's it. This is about this course. Please register and grab. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all. Thank you.